Sagittarius Sun, Moon at Rising. Welcome back today sa ating weekly reading. At syempre, wag na tayong tumpik-tumpik. Pagdating sa money at family energy mo this week, ito ang unang pumapasok na energy mo. Huwag mong pilitin ang isang bagay na hindi pa ready mag-materialize. May feeling na may pinaghihintay ka, income, bayad, opportunity o result ng effort na matagal mo nang ginagawa. At possible na medyo frustrated ka kasi parang hindi tugma yung effort mo sa nakikita mong balikan, no? May tendency din na isipin, worth it pa ba ang ginagawa ko?
Channeling your energy. Your soul calls here.
May interesting energy dito. May maliit na opening na pwedeng maging valuable later on. Hindi siya necessarily malaking amount agad. Pwedeng isang offer, sideline, client, idea, message o opportunity na initially mukhang simple lang. Huwag agad i-underestimate. Sa family naman, may strong indication ng practical responsibilities. May pinag-uusapang pera, household expenses, support, savings, prosperity o long-term security. Parang kailangan mong i-balance kung ano ang kailangan mo para sa sarili mo at kung ano naman ang responsibilities mo sa pamilya. At Sagittarius, importante this week na huwag kang gumawa ng financial decision dahil lang sa pressure, guilt o temptation. May energy ng overspending, impulsive purchase, debt o magiging attached sa isang bagay na alam mong hindi na healthy financially. Mas bagay sa'yo ngayon ang slow but consistent approach, ha? Hindi kailangang isang malaking move agad. Mas magiging solid ang progress kapag dahan-dahan, calculated at may malinaw kang budget. May potential pa rin para sa financial stability, lalo na kung ang focus mo ay long-term rather than instant results. Family-wise, may bagay na kailangan ng patience. Hindi lahat kailangang ayusin sa isang conversation. May ilang bagay na mas mabuting obserbahan mo muna bago magsalita. At yung intuition mo, Sagittarius, malakas this week. Kung may financial decision na hindi maganda ang pakiramdam mo, kahit mukhang tempting sa surface, huwag mong i-ignore yung instinct mo. Overall, this week is about handling money wisely, balancing responsibilities at hindi basta-basta sumusugal dahil gusto mo ng mabilis na result. May potential for stability pero kailangang itong buuin step by step. Sagittarius, punta naman tayo sa love at health energy mo this week. Sa love, may interesting combination ng emotional opening at pagiging practical. May possibility na may sweet communication, lambing, flirtation, or someone showing a softer side toward you. Hindi necessarily dramatic agad, ha? Mas parang small gestures muna, isang message, concern, invitation, compliment, or conversation na may ibang sweetness kaysa usual. Kung single ka, may energy dito ng taong maaring curious sa'yo pero hindi pa totally expressive. Pwedeng may feelings at attraction na nagsisimula palang buuin. Hindi ko nakikita na kailangan mong habulin. Mas maganda kung hayaan mong makita mo kung consistent ba talaga ang actions niya. Kung may ka-relationship ka naman, family and long-term security can become part of the conversation. Pwedeng mapag-usapan ng future, finances, responsibilities, bahay, family, or kung saan papunta ang relationship. Pero Sagittarius, may isang bagay akong gustong bantayan mo, mixed priorities. Parang may emotional side na gusto ng affection at reassurance. Pero may practical side na maraming kailangang asikasuhin like work, money, family, personal responsibilities. Lahat pwedeng sabay-sabay humingi ng attention. Kaya possible na may moments this week na parang gusto kong magka-love life pero ang dami ko rin kailangang isipin. At dito pumapasok yung energy ng hindi ko to babasahin automatically as something negative ha. More than anything pa, it can point to attachment, temptation, patterns, or something na mahirap bitawan. Parang ganun. Sa love, tanungin mo ang sarili mo. Gusto ko ba talaga itong connection or nasanay lang ako sa attention? Peace ba ang binibigay nito sa akin or lagi akong naghihintay ng validation? Kung may existing connection na complicated, ako Sagittarius, this week can make you more aware of your own attachment to it. At ngayon, sa health energy, nararamdaman ko, tarot-wise, of course, ang emphasis ay balance, routine, pacing, and consistency. And hindi ito medical diagnosis ha. It's energetically lang. It shows na baka marami kang ginagawa ng sabay-sabay kapag overloaded ang schedule, madaling madelay ang pagkain, pahinga, hydration, movement, or basic self-care. Kaya ang message dito ay simple. Sagittarius, huwag mong hintayin na maubos ka bago ka mag-rest. At ang energy na nararamdaman ko dito ay very practical. Hindi kailangang extreme routine. Mas importante ang sustainable habits, regular meals, enough rest, manageable movement, at consistent daily schedule. Kung kaya ha, at kung may physical symptom kang paulit-ulit na nararamdaman or lumalala or concerning sa'yo, mas reliable pa rin ang proper medical evaluation kaysa sa tarot. So overall, Sagittarius, your love life has a soft opening, pero kailangan mong tingnan ng consistency ha, not just chemistry. At sa health, ang pinaka-highlight ay balance. Hindi mo kailangan gawin lahat ng sabay-sabay. Piliin mo kung ano ang priority. Gumawa ng manageable routine at huwag mong gawing normal ang palaging pagod dahil lang marami kang responsibilities. This week, Sagittarius, mas makikita mo kung alin ang genuine connection, alin ang emotional attachment, at alin ang kailangan mo nang i-handle with more discipline. Sagittarius, punta tayo sa career, work, events, at yung tinatawag nating tag-ulan season energy for this week. Sa career, hindi ito mukhang week na kailangan mong biglang baguhin lahat. Mas malakas ang energy ng steady progress. May ginagawa ka na maaring matagal bago makita ang full result. At possible ha, na minsan napapaisip ka kung may patutunguhan ba talaga. Pero may indication na may potential sa something na nagsisimula pa lang. Pwedeng bagong project, bagong client, bagong idea, application, business opportunity, or isang conversation na pwedeng magkaroon ng follow-through. Ang importanteng message mo dito, huwag mong i-judge ang opportunity based sa unang impression lang. May mga bagay na maliit ang simula pero pwedeng maging useful kapag inalagaan mo ng mas maayos. Sa work environment, kailangan din ng multitasking. Maraming kailangang sabayan. Kaya possible na magkaroon ng moments na parang hati ang attention mo. Career, personal, responsibilities, family, at finances. Ayan. Lahat may sariling demand. Kaya this week, mas effective sa Sagittarius ang prioritization kaysa pagpapakalat ng energy. Kung may event, gathering, meeting, travel, celebration, or social activity, may possibility na may interesting interaction doon. Hindi necessarily romantic agad ha. Nako, Sagittarius, pwedeng may tao makilala mo na may connection sa work, business, networking, or future opportunity. At dito, interesting yung energy mo. May unexpected invitation or pleasant interaction. Something can come through in a light, casual, almost unexpected way. Ganun. Now, pagdating sa tag-ulan season, ang energy nito for you is parang may isang situation na initially maliit lang ang dating pero pwedeng magkaroon ng mas malaking effect later. Pwedeng chismis sa workplace, group, barkada, family, or social circle. Kaya Sagittarius, be careful sa mga bagay na kinikwento mo kapag hindi mo alam kung saan na pupunta. Hindi lahat ng taong friendly sa'yo ay kailangan mong pagsabihan ng personal plans mo. Ayan, Saji. So, may tendency din na may taong mas interesado sa ginagawa mo kaysa sa ine-expect mo. Pwedeng nagtatanong, nag-o-observe, or subtly comparing their situation with yours. Kaya wag kang masyadong mag-explain, ha? Kung may career plan ka, business move, bagong income source, or personal goal, mas magandang may boundaries ka muna sa information. Hindi ibig sabihin na kailangan mong maging paranoid. Ayan. Simply choose carefully kung sino ang may access sa plans mo. At kung may temptations na sumali sa isang questionable situation dahil mukhang mabilis ang gain, think twice. Kasi ang energy dito is very clear about this. Slow and legitimate progress is safer than a shortcut that comes with strings attached. Ayan. For events, enjoy yourself, socialize, network, but observe. May mga pagkakataon this week na mas maraming information ang makukuha mo kapag tahimik kang nakikinig kaysa kapag ikaw ang nagsasalita. Overall, Sagittarius, career-wise, may movement pero hindi overnight. May opportunity na pwedeng magsimula modestly and develop over time. Sa events naman, may possibility ng interesting encounter or useful connection. At sa tag-ulan season, protect your plans, protect your information, and don't give people unnecessary material to talk about. This week, let your results speak louder than your announcements. Sagittarius, bago tayo magtapos, may energy ng chismis dito. At may taong may napapansin sa'yo pero hindi lahat nagsasabi directly. Pwedeng may curious sa ginagawa mo, may nagtatanong tungkol sa personal life mo, may nag-o-observe kung ano ang next move mo. Pero hindi ibig sabihin na lahat ng naririnig mo ay totoo, ha? Kaya kung may makarating sa'yo na kwento, wag agad mag-react. Alamin muna kung saan ang gagaling at kung may basis ba talaga. May possibility din ng taong mahilig mag-comment sa choices mo, especially kapag nakikita nilang may ginagawa kang iba kaysa dati. Pero remember, hindi lahat ng opinion kailangan mong sagutin. Minsan, mas magandang quietly observe and continue your own plans. At Sagittarius, shout out muna tayo sa mga patuloy na nanonood, nagko-comment, nagla-like at bumabalik sa weekly readings. Salamat sa support at sa pag-share ng experience nyo sa comments. Kung may Sagittarius ka sa buhay mo, pwede mo ring itag sila para mapanood nila tong reading. And before we end, reminder lang, Tarot is for reflection and guidance. Kunin mo yung message na may resonate sa situation mo. Pero ikaw pa rin ang may final say sa decision mo, ha? Especially pagdating sa money, relationship, career at health. So Sagittarius, thank you so much for spending time with me this week. Kung naka-resonate sa'yo ang reading, you can leave a comment and tell me which part connected with your current situation. I'll see you in the next reading, ha? Take care, Sagittarius. And kung gusto nyo po ng private reading, just direct message me na nakapost po ang aking mga contact info. Again, this is Astro Luna Quest. Maraming salamat.